Hey, my Tendy friends! 2020 was a great year for investors who started in May, but this does not make you a great investor. Consistency is key, and we will show you why. Welcome to episode 10 of The Tendies Show! Okay, so welcome to episode 10 of The Tendies Show. Today we are only here with the two of us. Jurgen is here with me, and my name is Lucas. I'm the host for today, and as always, the host of The Tendies Show. Jurgen, how are you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Did you have a good new year?
It was awesome. Yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, I had fun. We had some friends over. They have kids as well. So yeah, that was pretty good fun. I enjoyed New Year's Eve. So yeah, how about you?
Yeah, it was amazing. Well, not just amazing like it was in previous years, because I really like to go out, have some party with friends and everything. Yeah, that was not possible this year. Christmas the same. Normally we are with 20 persons or 30 people out of my family. That's amazing. And this year was with four or something.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, that's not too big. Yeah, exactly.
But it's okay. Still, we can celebrate with a little bit of friends or family, right? So
exactly. So I'm grateful.
Yeah,
as always.
For those who are always watching, Yuri is not here today, right? Because Yuri is sick currently, so that's why we're doing the show with the two of us. But that doesn't mean that we have less fun. So hopefully Yuri will get back soon. But today is a fun episode, right? Because we have some serious to talk about.
We got something very serious to talk about, exactly, because I already mentioned it. 2020 was a great year for some people who started in May, because they could have great profits. But does it really make you a great investor if you would start in May and only use the gains, and then you can say,
Let me answer the question right away. Hell fucking no, it doesn't make you a good investor. No fucking way. No, man. Well, it's funny because I see a whole lot of people, whether it's in Reddit or for fuck's sake, even on YouTube. But also in my personal circle, right, where my friends are and stuff like that. But I see all those people who started investing in May and they say like, yeah, I got 100% returns. Like, I'm the best investor in the world because hey, Warren Buffett only has 20%, right, every single year. Yeah, well, good for you, right? And you have only started investing this last year, right? And you did pretty well. That's good for you. But does that really make you a good investor? And my honest answer is, fucking no, because it doesn't make you a good investor, right? Because when you were starting with investing, that was in the beginning of this year, right? And we helped you out there. We gave you a little bit of advice, and of course, you do everything on your own. You make your own trades, but we try to explain things to you, right? And what I see is a whole lot of people who are investing, but they don't know the fundamentals of a company, so they just invest in a hype, and that can go very well, but it doesn't make you a good investor, right? That's the difference, right? Do you agree?
Yeah, I definitely agree, and I got some fun story about that because I invested in a company where I didn't know the fundamentals or anything. And we've been talking about this earlier in the earlier episode. Yeah. And it's Galapagos.
Yeah. There it is again.
That's the one that killed me this year, basically. If it wasn't for Galapagos, I would have great profits. But yeah, it's Galapagos who.
Yeah. And that's really bad, man. Look, when I invest in a company, I try to know everything about that company, and if I don't want to invest on fundamentals, that's perfectly fine, but then you have to know what is going on in the market. If we did a trade recently for the portfolio show, right? We said, okay, we want to invest in Amazon because there is a shutdown in place currently. A whole lot of people will spend a lot of money on their holidays because the holidays were coming up. So we said, probably Q4 is going to be a good quarter for Amazon, right? And that's a reason to invest or whatever. But then you have done your research. I have done my research. I have looked at Google Trends, for example. I see what is going on in the market. I follow the trends. I follow all the statistics that are going on. And based on that, we can make a trade, right? And you do basically just math, right, on probabilities. But I see a whole lot of people, especially teenagers, who are like, okay, there's this big, great company. It's called Peloton, and everybody's getting into it, so maybe I should get into there as well.
The Wall Street bets, right?
Yeah, and it's counterintuitive because we are the Tendies Show. I love Wall Street bets, but I see a whole lot of craziness going on, and that's fine, right? It's okay. It's okay-ish, at least, if you do it. But it's not investing. Investing only works when you do it for a really, really, really long time, and you have consistent profits. Because there's one thing that is killing you if you want to be successful in the long run, and that is big dips, right? And so you want to get away from those really big drops in your portfolio, the big dips in your portfolio. You don't want to have 50 or 60 or even 70. Look, 2020, you couldn't have lost. Only if you invested in Nikola, right? So you don't want to be that backholder that joins all the rest of the people who are getting into Nikola, and then all of a sudden, bloop, the price starts to drop and you start to lose your fucking money because you worked hard for that money probably, right?
No one wants that.
No one wants that. So you have to know what you are investing in. And it's cool if you start at the beginning and you join the ride and hey, it starts at 10 and 3 or 2 months later, it's at $90. That's kind of cool. It is cool.
I guess the thing with that, I think it's very true what you were saying, that you have to know the fundamentals and everything when you want to invest in a company. And I think a lot of people don't realize that when they buy stocks, they become partly owner of a company.
Yeah.
And if you would become a greater owner of a company, you would want to know everything about what's going on there. And when they invest in stocks, people are like, nah, everyone is going there, so let's do it. And they don't want to know the fundamentals or anything.
To hack, I actually have a friend who invested in Nikola. And I said, well, why are you investing in Nikola? Because it's only $25. And I look back and it was 90, so it's super cheap now. Like, no, dude, no, that is not how investing should be.
Like the best fucking reason ever, right?
Yeah, for fuck's sake, man. Oh man, jeez. But trust me, there are a whole lot of people out there. And the reason why I'm saying, please become an investor, because I want everybody to become an investor. I think the more serious note of this episode should be that we are seeing more and more people getting into the investment world, right? And people start younger with investing, and that's awesome. I really like that people are joining the investing scene, so to say, right? We have more investors in the market, people start earlier, and there's one thing really important if you are investing, and that's time, right? That's the only important thing. So be sure to invest, but know what to invest in and know why you are investing in something. That is really important. And if you don't know that, just buy an index fund or whatever, but try to be knowledgeable, try to learn, get yourself a investment strategy, right? We both have investment strategies.
Yeah.
Things can happen in the world, but we will stick onto our investment strategy.
Exactly.
If it's not a good strategy, we'll just adjust the strategy, but we'll never move away from the strategy, right? So I think that's the important thing here. Like, know what you're investing in, know why you are investing, do your own research, and don't just follow the hype, because you don't want to be that backholder. That's the most important thing, I guess.
Exactly. I guess you're very right there. And for people watching right now, we got our own platform where we teach you how you can, just make your own strategies, and also how to grow into an investment hero. We call you an investment hero if you join your investment school. The link will be in the description below, so just check it out if you think that's become an investment hero, right?
Yeah, man. Thanks for this episode. Next one, I got something really cool because in 2021, one of my portfolio plays will be in recovery stocks. And I think cruises are going to cruise. That's a really important thing. Cruises are going to cruise. I think vaccinations will come super fast. So I think we can get back to normal fast, hopefully by July or whatever. And I think cruises are going to cruise. So next episode, I would like to show you my thesis, my portfolio strategy for cruises. So
great. I'm already looking forward to that one.
Cool, man. Thanks for this one.
All right. Hey, guys, thanks for watching again. Leave a like if you like this one. And comment if you think that you are a great investor. And how much profit did you make this year in percentage? We don't need your real numbers because it's too private. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, ring the notifications. And also the best wishes for 2021. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.